Hello friends, today we are going to learn significance of management principles. In last video we studied that principles are the guidelines and they provide ready-made solutions to the problems. They work like a torch at night. With the help of principles, manager can see the path very clearly. Significance is also known as importance, benefits, advantages or merits. So in this video, we are going to learn importance of management principles. There are total 7 points. The first one, principle provide insight to managers. The second one, they help in efficient utilization of resources. They help manager to take the scientific decisions. They help organization to understand social responsibility. They even encourage research and development. They help to coordinate and control, and at the same time they develop objective approach. So we will see one by one. Principles provide insight to managers. Insight means vision. With the help of principles, manager can understand the people, situation, problem and organization in better way. At the same time, manager can handle the people and situations effectively. So, principle help the manager to take care of business on daily basis. Principle help in efficient utilization of resources. We know there are two types of resources. The first one is the physical resources and the second one is human resources. The resources must be utilized at the optimum level and we have to avoid the wastage. How this is possible? With the help of principle, we can avoid the wastage and we can use our resources at the maximum level. So principle help us to optimum utilization of resources. The third one, principle help to take scientific decisions. Decision should not be taken blindly or it should not be the guesswork, but the decision should be scientific. Scientific means decisions taken after proper study. A manager has to take proper decisions and those decisions must be right one. Scientific decisions are always systematic and they are the balanced decision. Keep in mind, right decisions at right time bring success to the organization. With the help of principle, manager can take the proper decisions. Principle help to understand social responsibility. Social responsibility is nothing but the social objective of the business. It helps us to understand that what are the social responsibilities of the business. There are different social responsibilities. For example, the business has to provide quality goods, that too at reasonable price. Similarly, the business has to avoid unfair trade practices. All these are social responsibilities of the business. So principle help us to understand our social responsibility. And if the business is following social responsibility, then of course it creates goodwill in the market. Principle also encourage research and development. Many people think that research and development is an expense, but research and development is the investment because research and development bring innovation. So research and development is very useful to find the new techniques, new technology, new invention and at the same time it develop the scientific approach. Okay, so if we are following management principles, then it helps us to develop the scientific approach and we will always positively look at the research and development as an investment. Principles help to coordinate and control. Principal provide the guidelines through which we can coordinate and control effectively. Okay, see, it is very difficult task or difficult job for the manager to control and coordinate the employees. But this principle will offer a suitable system to the manager through which he can effectively coordinate and control. If there will be coordination and control in the organization, then of course there will be the smooth functioning. There will be no any clashes and everything will happen properly. So of course, how it is possible? It is possible only through the management principles. And the last one, management principle develop objective approach. There are two types of approaches, subjective approach and objective approach. The subjective approach is based on the opinions, feelings and judgment of the individual, while objective approach is based on studies, vision and science. So of course, each and every manager must have the objective approach. He has to take the decisions based on the studies, and a manager should not take decision based on his opinion or feelings or judgment. So in the organization, everyone must have the objective approach, and that can be brought or developed by the management principle. All the decision making must be objective. It must be based on the studies and not on the judgment. Please subscribe my channel, like and share this video. Thank you. Take care.